In this video, I'll show you how we can get the battery percentage up here on the iPhone 16. Now you may have noticed that when you boot up your iPhone, you have the little battery symbol here, and it shows you approximately how much battery you have left, but you want to see the percentage number in that top corner here. So I'm going to show you how we can add that. So the first thing we want to do on our iPhone 16 is go into the settings or that little gear icon. We want to then go ahead and scroll down until we see battery. And once we see battery, we'll see the option right there at the top for battery percentage. You just go ahead and tick that on. And now you will notice you can see the battery percentage there in the top corner. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.